OG back on the screen. Drop a like. Drop a like. Shout out to the IRL gang, the real IRL gang, the people who've been supporting me. Anybody else, there's no love for you going into 25. I ain't showing no love to nobody who ain't rocking with me at all. Everything's different from this point on. I'm going up. That's all I gotta say. And I'm dropping the gems. Today, I want to show you guys here. And I at first I was a little giddy, but I had to remember like all this shit I've been going through. The non-help, everything, you know. The giddy shit gotta end. We back onto this shit. Today, I'm here to show you guys that we are playing on a harder template. The truth about legend badges. If I'ma just go into the haters' minds. They haven't even probably thought this yet because they can't see the game like I can see it, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. Basically, they limit to the builder. That's it. It's the same builder. We're playing on the same builder from last year. They just limited it a little more. We're gonna get more areas to do stuff in, but it's gonna be with the cat burgers, and it's still gonna be a little grind, like how people they probably not expecting to be like, but it's still gonna be like that. I want y'all to see something here. They made the game harder too. Here's them putting the attributes up slow. They made this go fast in their little trailer, but look. Last year, these was like the balanced stats. I mean, last year, having an 85, you could have had a little more than this, you know, higher than this, right? But we're seeing what he's getting only at an 85 silver Deadeye. Just looking at that off the rip, we all should be like, damn, holy like we should just stop back and be like, damn. Now when you want to make a shooter, you're going to have to make a shooter. You understand? You can make one of these builds that can still shoot shots, but you're gonna have to have the other second thing that comes in the hand when it comes to shooting in the game. We all know the stick skill to be able to move around, get to a position wide open, feel confident enough about it in your head, and then actually press this X button, which most people can't do when they're playing against good people, especially with a balanced three-pointer, which 85 now is a balanced three-pointer now. It's literally like you shooting probably with a 75 in the other 2Ks, and people still could stroke a little bit, but oh, I can still stroke with a 75, like last year, 24 or something like that. That's what the 85 is going to be this year. See, this is only silver blinders. Deadeye is mixed in. That's in my next video. I forgot, like I was getting so 2K. Oh, the new badge names. Then I forget, like, oh shit, yo, I gotta make sure that I'm pushing a certain energy out because I know it's gonna be coming back in my return. I can't just be too giddy. That's not the energy to do. Now I gotta make sure I'm exposing this in y'all face. Mini marksman, you see it's on silver, and set shot specialist on silver, and shifty shooters on bronze. So moving around and trying to shoot with an 85 this year is not going to be the best thing, people. Didn't I tell y'all that just looking at the last video, looking at the builder? I'm like, oh shit, I'm like, yo, this shit kind of look a little. And then they give smaller players more to work with. Oh my god. We going back to a balanced game. It's literally like they really didn't do anything too much, but the new engine stuff we're going to feel. When it comes to the builders and the stats and the attribute caps of what we could put up, they didn't do too much changes. They limited it because I'm seeing certain things go up with each other. I seen on one video that somebody's ball handling and driving layup and stuff was just going up hand in hand together. So for different builds, it's going to be different things, man. Remember this. 2K, don't leave it like some free open world where you can just put anything where you want. No, they sit back and behind the scenes in a little lab typing, okay, what, you think that would be too OP? Yeah, let's put a cap on that. Let's put it down to here. Okay, let's put it down to there. That's exactly what they do. Like, please, trust me. This is what I like, though. For a skilled dude like me, it's going to be Gucci. Because it's going to come down to skill when you playing. And then now, when you are actually cooking with, maybe if you have some of the, if you only could get Deadeye on silver or maybe gold or whatever, you know, on silver, whatever the case is, at an 85, you'll be more admired now. Hopefully if they stop the Zens as well, too. But I want you guys to see something. With the powerful badges, there's higher caps. That just lets me know it's going to be paired builds because people are going to enjoy the new legend badges more. That tier. And the legend badges is just the trap. Listen to me. It's just a trap to make you go into a peer position. You've seen somebody was able to have 3 legend badges. I can understand if you was only able to have 1, and they'd be like, damn, you only can have 1 legend badge. So a person would kind of get like, okay, yeah, I only got 1. You know, but no, there's 3. So it makes it to where what's 3 of your favorite badges? What's your favorite category? That's how they gonna get people this year. Okay, let me just get 3 of my legend badges and finishing. You see how he has 2 high, 94, well, no, you can't see. This is not the same one. I was talking about the last one. But the last one, he had like a 98 something speed with ball, a 94 speed with ball, and he had 3 legend badges. Ankle Assassins, Handle for Days, and what was the other one? Lightning Launch. 3 of them. That's going to set us apart. I'm telling you, that's going to be the biggest things that's going to set players apart on the court. While you have the other badges to balance and help you out, a Hall of Fame badge here and there. But trust me, I'm telling you, bro, I see what the devs do. Is they think they slick, but with me, it's not slickness. It's like, damn, okay, that was your way of patching stuff this year without saying it's patched. Because how much times are you going to go through patching shit? Hot Zone Hunter, that's basically patching shooting. It's just, yo, how many badges they going to take remove? Think about it. And now they only have a little bit of badges because they really trying to figure out how to get their shooting balanced. And for them to do that, they was like, oh, you know what? We need to make things more expensive. That's it. Look at this screenshot. I'm on y'all ass 2K this year. I'm going to see this game so easily this year because I need to be. I'm tired. I'm doing it on my own. I started to realize, man, a lot of shit be forcing me to do shit on my own. I'm doing this shit on my own. So if I got some people that's going to just be willing to watch me and support me from the sideline and just watch me do this shit on my own, please. It's really not on my own because y'all helping me by watching, but if I could do it with my spirit alone on this camera, that's what I would be happy with. That's my goal. Look at this right here. Ankle Assassin. Oh my God, thank you. That's what makes me think y'all did good this year. Mike Wayne, Bronny, LD, Bizarre, other dudes that was talking about people in the group chat. Lame ass nigga shit. Talking about niggas in the group chat. Never would I waste my time, bro. I wish there was niggas in the group chat talking about moves and plays. You drama ass niggas. Fuck, bro, that shit make me sick, bro. It's like, damn, niggas could group up to do that weird. Like, nah. 75. Ball handle. The next cap to get silver is 86. Yo, I don't like, yo, y'all not peeping that. Y'all not peeping that. The next cap is 93. The next cap is 95. Y'all not peeping that. It's going to force us in areas, I'm telling you. And I feel like still a 86 will still even be cool for certain good players. So it's like forced. They're going to they try to trap us into something now this year because they got the new red badge that just, oh my God, I need that. I need it on that level. It's probably so powerful, which it is, and that's what they want. And guess what's going to happen too? They're going to be patching a lot of these badges. Don't think this game's done already, because what does OG say each time? The devs don't play their game. They don't play it for 3 months before releasing it and seeing how everything works, and they're good at the game, and they're figuring out the cheeses. They're like, oh, dang, that's OP. I could do this. Look, Mike. Look what I could do, Mike Wayne. I'm always going to hold them with that. That's like my trap card. That's like me hanging them to the cross. Like, that's me hanging them on the cross. They literally have nobody that has shown that in years. Not the Czar. The Czar don't... Bro, I don't care if he know all that computer tech shit. That don't mean shit. You building your own little system. The Czar? None of them. They don't play the game. So guess what? We got to test it. We got to go and be the first ones to put on Ankle Assassin on Legend and be breaking ankles like every possession, and somebody's like, yo, I can't even do nothing. And then the devs got to patch it. I'm telling you, shit is going to get patched this year. Watch. Don't sit and be thinking, oh, 225. I'm not saying that means it's going to be a bad game, but shit will be patched. We're the testers. I'm going to keep saying this shit till they change something in this world. I'm like, that shit's so real, but to a nigga like me, the position I'm in, not having a certain image or whatever already to the masses, that shit just come off so lightly, but that's really it. That's really how you can hold them. Like, yo, they don't even try their game. We are really testers. If I was to have a debate with them and be like, hey, aren't we really testers at the end of the day? Are we really playing a new product that's finished? Or is it like each year we're getting to be the first testers? Yeah, we're just beginning to be the testers of your product for that year. That's the best words for it. We're getting to be we're getting that chance to be a tester for your product that year. If that y'all make changes Y'all make patches, changes, and yes, everything will have updates and changes, so I have to be a little logical about that, be like, yeah, but no, it's like y'all never have things that are nostalgic, like, oh yeah, we gonna see that this year. Yeah, that stayed that year. They left that number coding system the same that year because it just works so well and people enjoy that with 2K. No, it's like y'all trying to find the right balance all the time. It's like y'all chasing it type time. I love this though. More expensive points, and the smaller PGs get the expensive points, y'all. Ain't that? Don't that sound like older 2K? They get more points. Don't that sound like older 2K's engine system? We'll say system. That's not an engine. That's more so of a system. Don't that sound like they old system? PGs get more of the things, so you just see more little PGs. Balance builds have it where it's like you got it, you got here and there of it, but you can still be good. That's what I like. They have to just build from that system. The one where they had it where everybody can have everything. No, that shit was so stupid. You seen the builds people were making? Oh my lord. Whew, because they could get away with certain things because rec mode is easier. Yo, there was so much bullshit. Like, yo, I can't even wrap my head around it. Like, y'all hit that like. I got more videos coming today. I just wanted to drop this out here real quick. Let y'all know, you know. Let's get it.